Hey guys, welcome back. Project Honda Fourtrax 300 4x4 is complete. And here is the final product. Let's take a quick look. You remember when I first picked this up, it was the ugly red. The bodywork was all loose and beat up, and the rack was loose. This back corner was all beat up. Everything's tight now and solid. That wrap, I think, looks amazing, considering the options you have with the red plastic. And so, you know, everything in here mechanically, if you watch any of the videos, it's all good to go. All the running gear, the suspension is all new. Ball joints, upper and lower. Drive axles have been replaced. Shocks have been replaced, all three of them, two in the front, one in the back. The steering shafts with the tie rod ends have been replaced. We've got a disc brake conversion kit in there. The brakes work great. They really work great. Got a nice winch in there, all refurbished and cleaned up, ready to go. Got some nylon cord in there instead of the cable. With that winch, I also put a nice little nifty handlebar control switch on it, so that works nice. Originally I had a big honking switch mounted on that rack bar. The racks I stripped down and painted. They came out fantastic. New LED bulbs in the headlights. High beams, low beams. I got all new fenders on it. Front and back, all the way around. New seat. New handlebars. You know, cleaned up everything on here. New little control panel there. New handle grips. Along with the disc brake kit, I got a brand new master cylinder. I think the wrap looks amazing. Again, the rack, both front and back, came out great. Did some work back here as well. Went through that final drive, replaced all the bearings, replaced the wheel bearings. There's two of them, one on the left and one on the right. Rebuilt that entire brake assembly, new brake shoes, a new brake drum, new shock, all new vent hoses. Got brand new tires all the way around it. Brand new lens with an LED bulb. Everything works. I had to get some 12-inch rims, painted them, cleaned them up and painted them to mount those new tires on. And you need 12-inch rims to get those disc brakes in there. This bike originally came with 11-inch rims, which will not fit the disc brake conversion. Cleaned up and painted the exhaust, which was solid. The engine is just, well, the engine didn't need much at all. Let's see, here we go. If anyone's ever had a Honda Fourtrax 300, you'll recognize that sound. They just fire right up. The lights. Headlights, high beam, low beam. When the engine's cold, it won't stall. Trust me. It might sound like it might stall. It will not stall. And once it warms up, it has a good solid idle. And the thing runs great. The suspension, and I rebuilt one of these things a few years ago and didn't replace any of the shocks, and the ride was somewhat harsh. The ride on this thing now with the new shocks, it is much, much smoother. And it really soaks up the bumps. But there it is. Model year 2000 Honda Fourtrax 300 4x4. completely gone through. This thing should last now without any issues or anything needing to be fixed or replaced for 15, even 20 years. And that's what you get out of these things when they're new. And everything in here that could go wrong has been replaced. So there it is. You know that the shocks gave it like a 2.5-inch lift. So it's actually lifted up a little higher than when I first got it. And it was in somewhat of rough shape when I first got it, but now it's amazing. So there it is. That was, I don't know, maybe 10 weeks in, just working on it here and there when I got free time. I think it came out amazing, and I can't wait to really take it for an all-day ride in the woods. Just waiting for the Connecticut River to recede a little bit, and then we're going to go out, run this thing hard, and I'll shoot some videos of that as well. But there it is, completed, my 2000 Honda Fourtrax 300 4x4. Hope you enjoyed that little series. If so, please consider subscribing, and we will see you on the next project. Thanks for watching.